So we're about to go on our Trike Talk Vanderhall ride. So we've got, I think, all the Vanderhalls that are going to be here. So everybody's here. We got some trikes that are going to go with us as well. So that'll be fun. And these guys here. And then one slingshot, I think, is coming with us. He runs around with Paul a lot. He's the slingshot right there. Yeah, should be a pretty good ride. We're going to go nice and slow. So I threw the top on mine to give me a little shade. There's a slingshot down there. I wonder if he's coming. But yeah, pretty cool. So I've met all these guys. This is a real pretty blue. This is wrapped. I didn't realize it was wrapped. It was a pretty good job. That's a real pretty blue. I like that. So here we go. Hers is wrapped too. This is Cara, a female driver. She decided she wanted safety yellow because she wanted to be seen, and I think it looks awesome. I think the yellow looks really good, and I'm glad she didn't do yellow all the way down. I think it looks really good with just the top section done, because it doesn't look so much like a banana. We're gonna get going here in a few minutes, and I'm gonna film some of this ride, and I'm gonna clean my car because I realize it's really dirty right now. And yeah, have a little fun. So we'll see you in a few. Behind us, so we're just waiting. I don't know what's going on up there. Some construction, I guess. This has made our quick trip quite a bit longer. Made it to the Cheyenne Crossing store. We've got some interesting parking going on because there's, you know, decent amount of us and no place to park. So all these cars are in our way. So we're done with lunch and we come out, and it's raining a little bit, so I'm glad I put the top on the Vanderhall today. It's coming in handy. I thought it was going to save me from the sun. The sun went away and the rain came, so I'll stay fairly dry. Maybe not perfect, but better than nothing. It's officially raining now. But I'm dry as can be. My arm's a little wet where it's hanging off the side where it gets wet, but that's about it. So we got Chad's stage down here to get us driving by. I think everybody's spread out so much. Well, good morning, everybody. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal, and we're starting the day off with getting our pictures taken by this guy and our buddy Robert driving by. And we got the trailer installed today, so we're gonna do a little show and shine downtown. So we need to actually get these things cleaned up because it rained last night like pure monsoon craziness. It's a good thing we had covers. Covers have done a great job. The cheap $100 ones from Amazon have both worked great for me and Chad, and the storm cover that Vanderhall makes for the Carmel is perfect. It's probably the best thing they make, which is kind of funny to say. Maybe the best accessory they make. Anyways, so we're gonna get over to the little meeting point and turn in our registration papers for the show and shine. We're gonna be in the wrap class, so I think we got a pretty good chance because most of these other people, their wraps are sticker kits. Just like you order the sticker kit and you sticker all your panels. So far, we're the only ones that I've seen that are fully wrapped. So anyways, we're gonna get over there. We'll see you in just a minute. Well, we're lined up for the show and shine. We entered the artisan class, It happens to be the one that's the biggest so far, so I mean, hopefully that's okay. But Chad's got the trailer on. We're up against this guy and this Can-Am with a trailer, or girl, I don't know if it's guy or girl. And this one here with her custom painted I Tattoo Your Ride, looking good. Doing some cleaning still. The detail on this is just the same thing. Tattoo Your Ride did all this.
Yep.
She's incredible.
We think so.
Awesome. So we're waiting on the show and shine to start. We're actually all lined up, and I saw this lady over here. She was doing an interview with another ride down here, one of the Can-Ams. Her name's Scarlett. So we did a little interview with her that's going to be on the news, the ABC channel here tonight at some point, and then we'll find that link and we'll link it on our page and everything. But that's pretty cool, kind of fun. Well, we're finally rolling into downtown, or Main Street, and it has started raining. It's like literally they waited, so no joke, they waited for it to start raining before we started moving, and now everybody's gonna get wet. Low organization. Oh, now we're doing a different angle. What is happening? This is just pure chaos. Pure chaos. And then we got Ken over here, just decided he's gonna stop and just park wherever he feels like it.
Whatever I want, buddy. It's a Laguna.
Yeah, that's true. I would too. That's pretty cool. All the way down the street, all the way up the street. So we're all parked. They parked us a little funny, but I'm okay with it. They didn't angle us in as much as everybody else, but it makes it where Brian and I, and then Chad, because he got to park straight, you can see ours from both sides really well.
I've never seen one.
I never even bothered cleaning my wheels. I didn't care. And then we got a couple people that are in the stock class. Ken and Sandy are in the stock class because their car's stock with the Laguna, and they're way down here. But talk about cool. I mean, being able to be parked on Main Street, right in the middle of the road, it's really neat. I just think they should have spread these out better. They could have literally parked us all. I think they should have parked left and right, just straight, so they came all the way back instead of doing all this crazy angled stuff. But I'm not running the show, so it doesn't really matter. But I'm trying to get down here to see where Ken and Sandy ended up. So we're walking along right here, and we get yelled at, and it's these jokers up here at the top. They got this bird's eye view looking down at the whole thing, so we gotta figure out how to get up there. Look at this table of winners right here. Hey, what number are y'all?
339.
339.
226.
Okay, 220. We walked down there. There's a lot of votes for 335. We don't know who that is though. Yeah.
Oh, you.
Oh, that's yours.
No, it's not. I'm 344. It's none of us.
You got a little bump guard on it?
Windsock. Worked great. I can be driving down the road in my three-wheeler, open top, no problem.
Yeah?
It sounds like I got a microphone on. Yeah, it's great.
Are you recording us right now?
Yeah, I'm not gonna use this audio, but I just wanted this little bird's eye view. It's cool. And then the rain came. So, you know, thank you, Bill. Throw the top on real quick. I was talking to somebody and we got a little wet in the inside, but it won't get much more because, you know, there's a top. So anyways, we're good to go. Right on down the road. Just sorry for Chad and Brian, they don't have their tops on. Carmel's were smart, put the tops on. I'm gonna wipe my seat down and get in here and stop getting wet. All right, well, it's raining pretty good now, and we've decided we're leaving. So we're out of here. Again, I'm pretty dry. There's Ken and Sandy with their Laguna looking so good with the top on, of course, and you know, plenty of people watching because it's a pretty big spectacle. And he just covered his up. Says he's in here for now, I guess. I guess we're going back to the hotel and you're gonna throw the covers on these. I'm getting pretty wet now because the top has collected some water and it's pouring in here.